Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain knurling on bolt head with threads. So left side you can see the knurling feature on the bolt head, and right side the threads. So this is the component I'm going to create. So let's start now. So I've taken a new SolidWorks part file. I'm going to create bolt. Select the front plane. So initially draw a center line and one vertical line. It is 14 mm. So this is the reference dimension. This is 0.5. This is 0.5. This is 4 mm. This is 6, and total length is 30. So you have to give the diameter. So this is 8. Select the revolve boss and say OK. So this is the bolt head. So I'm going to create knurl on the bolt head. So initially we have to create helix curve. So select this face, go to sketch and select this and convert entity. Then go to features, select helix. See, it is moving in other direction, so we have to reverse the direction. And here we have to select height and revolution. This is 6, and the revolution we have to give 0.1. See here. The angle we can set 0, or we can see according to our requirement. So right side, so we have to give 90 degrees. See, it is exactly starting here. So we can set according to our requirement and say OK. See, this is the curve generated. Now select this face, go to sketch, draw one center rectangle. and this is 0.5, and select these two lines, make it equal. So here we have to select this curve and this point, the center point, and select pierce. So it is exactly coincide with the curve. So keep it normal. See, instead of simple rectangle, I am going to make construction so I am going to make in this manner. So it's in tilted. See here, and come out of this sketch. So two sketches have been created now. Go to features, swept cut, select this command and select this sketch as a profile and select this helical curve as a path and say OK. See here. So I am going to hide this curve. See here. Now we have to select circular pattern. Select this axis. If it is not visible, we can select this temporary axis. And the number of instances is 60. See, it has taken swept cut automatically and say OK. See here. So it is created in one direction. So now I am going to mirror the same feature. So we have to select top plane or right plane, select mirror, and here so mirror features to be mirrored. So select this swept cut and this pattern and say OK. See how beautifully it is created. See here. Now I am going to create thread feature. So we have to go to whole wizard and see here thread. So we have to select this command and we have to select this edge, and here we have to select offset. See, it is moving this direction, so we have to flip this, so it is coming out. So you can give any value. So I am giving 2 mm. Then here blind we can give 18. So we can give according to our requirement, and it has taken M8 into 1 automatically. So I am keeping as it is and say OK. See here. So thread has been created now. Now I am going to create a small cutout to remove this material. See here, select this face, go to sketch, and convert entity. See, it has created this one. Go to feature, simply extrude cut. So this is mandatory. You can give any value, say OK. See this, there is a smooth cut over here. Knurling and threading. So this is how we create knurling on bolt head with threads. Thanks for watching.